the dip.
Oh!
Well, Kepler, your night just got ruined.
Oh, fuck!
I'll lick it off.
You better still eat it.
Sorry, oh, hell yeah, I'm gonna eat it.
What kind of question was that?
It's a little pollen. It don't matter. I'm gonna puke.
You can't throw up. That's gonna take away
You
from this entire thing.
Okay, I'm gonna move these.
Eating kg on my heart right now.
such a good cameraman.
Don't answer that. I'm trying to silence it. Stop. Don't. Why are we taking pictures? Why are there so many cameras?
Because they all know.
Why?
Why? Because we're.
Can you come here and puke
No,
on
you-
me?
you come
Can
here.
you come here and puke
No.
on me? No.
Oh, you got beautiful.
No, Nate, yeah.
You're doing the walk.
Yes, babe.
Yeah, we're getting drunk!
Alright, you know I told you in like 45 minutes I was wrong? I was stressing like a mother.
I just see that.
I'm shaking for you. I think
I
I'm
see
just
that.
cold.
But now,
You should have seen me
You
last
guys
night.
are so
at
cute
Walmart.
together, even though you're on opposite sides of the kitchen.
Go Patriot!
Yes,
Go
I gotta take
Giants.
the whole thing. Don't worry.
Alright, so
Oh, don't worry, so
I
don't.
did too.
I got Brittany throwing
He's
up.
an excellent
are
cameraman.
you sure?
I gotta go get.
Are you sure?
Clearly, she's sure.
She would have done it in front of everyone.
You